Hello everyone, my name is Kim Bradley. Um, I've been going to class since January and you guys are a brand new bunch of people for me, except for maybe two people. So basically, my experience with learning research most of my experience has been with in-school projects, but recently I've engaged in a position as an underwriting analyst, and I use research in my work daily to verify information regarding quotes for people obtaining health insurance. What I would like, what would make make learning research fun for me is I think it would be fun discovering new ideas and exploring ways to resolving issues concerning clients that I would have in the future. And so that would be very exciting. After reviewing the syllabus, what excites me about the course is that I see that we will be learning a lot of qualitative methods and evaluations, and I'm excited to learn how I can apply these methods to my future practice as a social worker. I look forward to working with everyone and having a great 7 weeks. Thank you.